For today, we're going to talk about GCF. So, GCF stands for Greatest Common Factor. When we talk about Greatest Common Factor, it means that it is a biggest number that can divide both A and B or any given number wherein the A and B are both integers. So the condition for this is both A and B are integers. So when we talk about integers, these are the positive and negative whole numbers. So let's have our first example. GCF of 14 and 28. So what will be the GCF of 14 and 28? So we're going to think of a number or smallest number that can divide both 14 and 28. So let's have the smallest possible number. So the smallest possible number is 2. So when we divide both 14 and 28 by 2, so 14 divided by 2 is 7. 28 divided by 2 is 14. Now, as you can see, 7 and 14 can still divide. So what is the number that can divide both 7 and 14? So 7 and 14 are multiples of 7. So we divide this by 7. So 7 divided by 7, that is 1. 14 divided by 7, that is 2. Okay. So as you can see, we have here 1 and 2. Now, if you divide it again, the common factor now is 1. So you still have 1 and 2. So the numbers here are relatively prime. Relatively prime. So when the quotient are relatively prime, it means that you stop dividing. So the next step is you're going to get the product of these two. So 2 times 7, 14 times 1. So the product is 14. So 2 times 7 times 1 is 14. So therefore the GCF for 14 and 28 is 14. So this is our greatest common factor. Okay, now let's have 24 and 64. So just like number 1, we going to think of a number that can divide both 24 and 64. So you have 24 and 64. Okay. So let's say we think of 2. That would be 12 and 32. Okay. So you think of a number again. Let's say this is 2. Smallest number, you always start with the smallest number. So 12 divided by 2, you have 6. 32 divided by 12, you have 16. Then you divide again by 2. So 6 divided by 2 is 3. And this is 8. So you divide both sides again, and the common factor now is only 1. So this is 3 and 8. So the two numbers here are still relatively prime. So when the two numbers are relatively prime, it means you get now the product. You stop dividing, so you get now the product. 2 times 2 times 2 times 1. So 2 times 2, 4 times 2, 8 times 1. So the GCF is 8.